If you're getting a Photoshop permissions error during an install or update, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by a simple permission block, a background Adobe process that's still running, or a folder access problem in Windows. The good news is, you can usually solve it without reinstalling your whole system. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fix guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, close the error window and completely exit the Creative Cloud desktop app. If Creative Cloud is still running in the background, it can interfere with Photoshop installation or updates, so make sure it's fully closed before you try again. Now, right-click the Adobe Creative Cloud icon on your desktop, or right-click the standalone Photoshop installer file if that's what you're using. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer elevated privileges, which often bypasses basic Windows restrictions that cause permission errors in the first place. Once it launches with administrator access, try the installation or update again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue, but if you still see the permissions error, move on to the next step. Next, we need to stop any conflicting Adobe background processes. These can stay active after a previous install or update attempt, and they can lock the folders Photoshop needs to write to. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now look through the list carefully and find anything related to Adobe, especially Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, CCX Process, or Adobe IPC Broker. When you spot one of those processes, right-click it and choose End Task. Do this for each Adobe process you find that may be interfering with the install. The goal here is to clear out anything that could still be holding permission locks on system folders. After that, try the Photoshop update or installation again. If the error is still there, the next step is to manually give your Windows account full control over Adobe's folders. Open File Explorer and go to the first folder path, C:\program files \Adobe. Then check the second path, C:\program files (86) \common files \Adobe. And finally, go to C:\users \your Windows username \appdata \Adobe. If you don't see the AppData folder, that's okay. In File Explorer, click the View tab and turn on Show Hidden Items. Once hidden items are visible, you'll be able to access the AppData folder normally. Now, for each Adobe folder individually, right-click the folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab, then click Edit. This is where you can change folder permissions for your user account. From the list of users and groups, select your specific Windows username. Then, in the permissions box below, enable the Allow checkboxes for full control, modify, and write. These permissions are important because Photoshop needs the ability to create, update, and modify files during installation. Once those boxes are checked, click Apply, then OK. Repeat the same process for each Adobe folder listed earlier, so all of them have the proper access. After that, restart your computer. A restart helps Windows apply the new permissions properly and clears out any remaining process locks that may still be active. Once your PC starts back up, try installing or updating Photoshop again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Photoshop permissions error and let the installation complete normally. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick fixes, software tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.